Hi, I'm Sean Wagner, and I'm with Freightliner of Kalamazoo. And I've been in the trucking business for over 30 years. And today, I'd like to bring you a special report on how to become an owner-operator in the trucking business. There are three things that are needed to get started in the trucking business. The first thing that we need is experience, and it's going to take at least 2 years of experience to get started. The next thing that we're going to need is money for down payment. Typically it takes about 10%. And then the last thing that we're going to need is credit score. And that would be at least 650 for a credit score. Those would be the three things that we need to get started. There are going to be several things that the government will require. One of them is a commercial driver's license. The next thing is insurance. There's both bobtail insurance and physical damage insurance that are needed. Also, a license plate for the vehicle. Then, sales tax, and also Form 2290, which is the federal highway use tax. These are the things that are needed and required by the government. So these are some of the things that you're going to need to get started in your business. A checking account, credit cards, bookkeeping system, emergency plan, maintenance plan, and also what type of business, a sole proprietor, an LLC, or corporation. These are the things that you'll need to get started in your business. That's a depends on question. Depends on the type of work that you're going to be doing. If it's local work, you would require a day cab. If it's over the road, you would require a sleeper. And the goal is to get as new a truck as possible for what you have to work with. And everybody's different with what they have to work with. It depends on the amount of money for down payment and what your credit score is. So those are the things that you need to consider for the type of truck that you would want. And lastly, there are 3 ways to generate income. The first way is to lease on with a company. The second way is to get your own authority and use brokers to find your loads. And lastly, is to have your own authority and your own customers. So those are the 3 ways to generate your income. We've covered a lot of territory in a short length of time, and I'm sure there are a lot of other questions that need to be answered. And that's why I've made up this special report just for you. There are 3 ways to contact me. You can call me on the phone, you can email me, or better yet, you can stop in person and see me. I'm Sean Wagner with Freightliner of Kalamazoo. Here's to your success.